I bought and tested these shoes so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who's navigated countless meetings and events, I know the importance of having the right pair of shoes. Let's dive into the top 5 office and dress shoes for men that balance style, comfort, and functionality. Product number 1, Drio Space Heater. My experience with the Drio Space Heater was nothing short of transformative. Picture this. It's a chilly morning and I'm rushing to get ready for work, but the house feels like an ice box. Enter the Drio Space Heater. This compact yet powerful heater fits perfectly in my home office. It has a sleek design and I immediately appreciated the remote control feature, allowing me to adjust the temperature without getting up. The moment I turned it on, I was enveloped in a wave of warmth that spread quickly throughout the room. The adjustable thermostat is a game changer, letting me set my comfort level precisely between 41 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. I found myself frequently switching between the eco mode to save energy during the day and the full power mode when I needed a quick heat boost. Now, the pros. First, the safety features are top-notch. With tip-over protection and overheat sensors, I felt at ease leaving it on while I worked. Secondly, it's surprisingly quiet for a heater, emitting only 34 dB, so it didn't disrupt my focus during conference calls. However, I did notice it takes a few minutes to heat up a larger space, so it's best for smaller rooms. Why buy this heater? If you're looking for a reliable, efficient way to combat winter chills, this is a solid investment for comfort and safety in your workspace. Product number 2, the Levoit Air Purifier. Let me tell you about my experience with the Levoit Air Purifier. As someone who's sensitive to allergens, I was eager to see if this little machine could make a difference in my home office. At first glance, the compact design is perfect for any desk, and it fits seamlessly into my workspace. I set it up and was immediately impressed by how quiet it is. I could barely hear it running, which is crucial during meetings. The 3-in-1 filter is remarkable. It captures dust, pet dander, and smoke, ensuring I breathe clean air throughout the day. I also love the aroma pad feature, which allows me to add essential oils for a calming effect while I work. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's lightweight, making it easy to move around, and it offers an auto-off feature that's perfect for night use. The only downside I found was the limited coverage area. It's effective for smaller rooms, but I wouldn't recommend it for large spaces. Why buy it? If you're serious about creating a healthier work environment, the Levoit Air Purifier is a worthwhile investment that enhances air quality and contributes to your overall well-being. Product number 3, Amazon Basics 8-Sheet Cross-Cut Shredder. Using the Amazon Basics 8-Sheet Cross-Cut Shredder has been a game changer for my home office. I used to pile up sensitive documents, but after realizing the importance of security, I decided to invest in a shredder. This model is compact yet powerful, easily fitting under my desk. The first time I turned it on, I was impressed by how smoothly it handled multiple sheets at once. It's designed to cross-cut, meaning it provides a higher level of security than straight-cut shredders. I felt a sense of relief knowing my sensitive information was being destroyed securely. The pros include its ease of use and its ability to shred credit cards, which is a feature I didn't know I needed until I used it. However, it does have a small bin. If you're shredding a lot, you'll need to empty it frequently. Why buy it? If you're serious about protecting your personal information, this shredder is an affordable and efficient choice to keep your workspace secure and organized. Product number 4, Sharpie S Gel Pens. As someone who takes notes constantly, the Sharpie S Gel Pens have become my go-to writing instrument. The moment I picked one up, I was struck by the contoured rubber grip that fits comfortably in my hand. The gel ink flows smoothly, allowing me to write effortlessly during long meetings. I love the vibrant colors, especially the black ink, which always looks professional on any document. The no-bleed technology means I can write on both sides of the paper without worrying about smudging. The pros are clear, they're stylish, reliable, and the medium point delivers bold lines. The only con I've found is that they can run out of ink faster than I'd like, especially when I'm in a writing spree. Why buy it? If you want to elevate your writing experience and add a touch of style to your office supplies, these pens are a fantastic choice that keeps you looking sharp and professional. Product number 5, Surge Protector Power Strip. The Haniconi Surge Protector Power Strip has been an essential addition to my office setup. With 8 outlets and 4 USB ports, it caters to all my electronic devices without the hassle of unplugging and replugging. I've got my laptop, phone, and even a couple of other gadgets hooked up, and it handles everything beautifully. The braided extension cord is another thoughtful feature. It feels sturdy and looks great, eliminating the clutter of multiple cords. Pros include the surge protection, which gives me peace of mind during thunderstorms, and the flat plug design that saves space. On the downside, the USB ports can be slow at charging, so I still rely on wall chargers for faster charging. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable power solution that keeps your workspace organized and safe, this surge protector is a must-have. In conclusion, whether you're looking to elevate your workspace with comfort, safety, or efficiency, these products meet a variety of needs. Each of these items has been tested and proven to enhance your office experience. Invest in one or all of them and step up your game at work.